Install LG ThinQ app from the App Store or Play Store. Then sign in to ThinQ app if you are an existing user or register if you are a new user.
Open the LG ThinQ app and click on Add Product. Choose the Manual Product Selection option, either by scanning the product's QR code or selecting it manually. Now, click on Next. Select the specific product and its category. Select Top Load Washer. Turn on the Wi-Fi of the washing machine. To activate the Wi-Fi, press the dedicated Wi-Fi button, as per the model of the washing machine, for 3 seconds. Once activated, the Wi-Fi icon will start blinking on the washing machine display. Click on Complete Setup. Connect your mobile device to the LG washing machine network. For the password, if you're an iPhone user, the password will be last 4 characters of the LG washer network name. Suppose if the LG washer network name is ending with AB12, the password will be AB12AB12. Once the connection between your smartphone and the washing machine is established, the app will initiate the process to add the device and prompt you to connect to an active Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will take a moment to add the device. Upon successful addition, a confirmation will be displayed. Using the LG ThinQ app, enjoy the convenience of managing your washing machine settings right from your mobile device. When you click on the washing machine in the LG ThinQ app, here's what you can do to access and control washing machine from the LG ThinQ app. First, you need to turn on the remote start. Press the dedicated remote start button as per the model of the washing machine for 3 seconds. Power on/off. Control the washing machine by turning it off directly from the app. Program modes. Select the program mode according to your laundry type in just a click. Rinse. Rinse allows you to change and adjust the no of rinse. Spin. Spin allows you to change and adjust spin time. Water. Wave. Switch between different water wave modes. To start the program, press Start button to start the wash cycle. First, the machine will detect the load and calculate the time required for the wash. Once the wash cycle is started, the app will show the timer. You can also pause the program in between, but to cancel from the app, you have to power on and off the washing machine once. From additional settings, you can change and adjust settings like water level, wash time, soak time, turbo wash on-off, and Aqua Reserve. Aqua Reserve avoid draining the water after the wash cycle, which helps to save the water and use it again for the washing purpose. Useful features. Manage download cycle. LG ThinQ app allows you to download and add different program modes. You can set one program at a time by using the download cycle feature. Manage favorites. Add your favorite programs on the top, the program modes list, by clicking on the add icon before the respective program. Once added, you'll find the favorite program on the program list. Manage laundry. Turning this on will allow you to keep the remote start on. Tub Clean Coach. The Tub Clean Coach is amazing feature remind to clean the tub after finishing every 30 cycles. Energy monitoring. It helps to know the electricity consumption by the washing machine. Smart Diagnosis helps to diagnose if there is any error in the washing machine in just a single click.